What's going on, you guys? Today I got a video of me going to a chopper event in Reading, PA, which happened quite a while ago, but I'm just getting around to editing everything. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment, like.
I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is extremely windy out here today. We're still out here getting it done. 30 minutes out. Check it out. Let's see what we got going on here. Hello. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. Thank you.
Vote for your top 3 bikes in the center.
All right, word. Thank you. Whoa.
Hey, buddy, you interested in
Hey.
Jello shots?
Jello shots?
They're $1 a piece.
Oh shit. Let me check my wallet.
Okay, check your wallet.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right. Jello shot. Let's see what fuck it. We're starting it off right. I really, really like that bike. Yeah, you know what? I think it's gonna have to go to this bike. If we're talking full blown chop, this is the bike. I'm giving all my tickets to this bike. Right here. Jesus. So nice. Well, there you go. There you have it. Wow. Good ass chopper. Got a Buell.
Yeah, they were the third price. It already sold.
Whoa. Got an Ultima. Nice shovel. Minty. Flathead. Nice iron head, sporty. Sick fucking Springer. Iron. No, that's a hand shovel. There you go. That's fine. Panhead. No, you're good. Shovel head.
Buddy? Yep.
Oh yeah, this is the one right here, baby. Oh my god. This?
My dad did.
Dad did?
Almost. Every other kick's a firing kick.
Yeah. All in all, cool, great show. This wind is just fucking ridiculous though, but that's gonna conclude the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe,